One. Hello everyone, this is Jay Sudarshan. I am from DMCJ ACADEMY and today I am going to do a presentation about electric vehicles. Now I am going to give a small introduction about electric vehicles. Electric vehicles, EVs, are automobiles that run fully or parallelly on electric power. There are three types of EVs. BEV, which is battery electric vehicles like Tesla Model 3. HEV, which is hybrid electric vehicles, example Toyota Prius. PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, for example BMW i8. Now, these are some example images of the three types of EVs. Now, why are EVs gaining popularity? Rising fuel prices, growing environmental awareness, government incentives and subsidies, advanced in battery tech, example lithium ion and solid state. Now, environmental benefits of EVs. Why choose electric? Zero tailpipe emissions, reduces air pollution, lower carbon footprint, especially if powered by renewable energy. If powered by renewable energy, quieter roads, noise reduction. Key global trends. Norway, over 80% of new cars sold in EVs. China, largest EV market in the world. India, targeting 30% EV adoption in 2030. EV market trends. FAME, IA scheme, offers subsidies for electric 2 by 3 by 4 wheelers. Launch of affordable models like Tata Nexon EV, Ola S1. Building EV charging infrastructure. Example, highways charging station. Disadvantages in EV technology. High initial costs of EV. Limited charging infrastructure. Battery replacement concerns. Dependence on rare earth materials. Thank you.